everybody, Jeff from New York, and we are downtown Las Vegas. We're going to visit the Four Queens Hotel and Casino. We're downtown on Fremont Street, and we're passing Taco, a very popular taco place on Fremont Street, as we enter the Four Queens. The Four Queens Hotel and Casino has been in operation since 1966, and it's located directly across the street from its sister property, Binion's Gambling Hall, in the heart of Fremont Street, downtown Las Vegas. Both properties are owned by TLC Casino Enterprises. By the way, if you missed the Binion's Apache Hotel video, it was uploaded right before this one earlier this week, so check that one out. There's just something about the vibe down here downtown. The hotel and casinos really bring you back to a bygone era where Vegas really got its roots. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. This is Hugo's Cellar. It's a steak and seafood house, and every woman that steps into the restaurant gets a long stem rose. Right next door is Magnolia's Veranda, which is more of a diner-type atmosphere with diner-type food. Both are located right off the casino. This is Chicago Brewing Company. It's a award-winning handcrafted microbrewery, along with a unique selection of appetizers, pizzas, and entrees. They also offer a fine selection of cigars, which seems to be very popular down here downtown. And of course, even downtown, it wouldn't be a casino without a big bar in the middle. Something to consider when staying downtown is many of these hotel casinos do not charge a resort fee. Uptown, that resort fee can be as high as $45 a day. That's in addition to the hotel room. But of course, downtown, you're away from all the world-class entertainment, the Bellagio fountains, the Mirage Volcano, the shopping, everything like that, but it's really just a bus ride or an Uber ride away. I guess when it comes to picking a place to stay, it comes down to a matter of convenience, what you want to do, and what your budget is. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.